and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I am going to be starting pretty much with my Halloween decor DIYs, and I will be, for my first one, it is a Trash to Treasure makeover. It is hosted by the Schwoman's Nest and Indiana Jones, so I will have both of their channels linked down below, so make sure you check them out because you will not be disappointed with the wonderful DIYers that they are. And they're also going to be a playlist linked down below for all your crafting needs and Trash to Treasure needs, because there's going to be tons of inspiration there for you. So the rules are pretty simple. We're just to find a thrifted item and make it over. So I had picked up this, I don't know what these are called. Are they called hurricane lamps? Are they called lanterns? I'm not quite sure. And although it is very pretty, I think, and this is nice, for most people probably wouldn't do anything, but this silver is really not working in my home for any decor, so I wanted to make it so I can use it primarily for Halloween, but also if I decide to keep it throughout all the rest of the seasons, I can. So I will be painting this with some chalk paint. Now I've been contemplating whether I should spray paint it or just paint it. I'm not sure, I'm still thinking about it. But then nevertheless, I will be making this over, and then I'm going to be decorating it a little bit for Halloween. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, like I said, my name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. I do DIY videos on this channel all the time. That is primarily what this channel is about. I do furniture makeovers, Trash to Treasures, and lots of dollar store or look for less type of DIYs for your home. I also have two other channels. One is cooking and a home channel, so they're DIY home and DIY cooking. Home is where I showcase a lot of these DIYs, and I also do some cleaning and decorating. And cooking is self-explanatory. It is a cooking videos. So if any of that interests you, make sure you head on over to my description box where you will find the links to all those channels. But if you are enjoying what you're seeing here, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. I will be working on Halloween, fallish type of DIYs for next two weeks or so, and then we'll be moving on to something else. So yeah, so let's get started with this one before I get too chatty and forget what I was doing. So I am going to spray paint it, I've decided, and I'm going to use the charcoal chalked ultra matte Rust-Oleum paint. But first I'm going to tape this up just so I don't mess up the glass. So that's taped, and now I'm going to start. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to let this dry before I move on to decorating it. Okay, so this is just about dry. I'm going to take this stuff off. There we go. I think it turned out really pretty. It's got that soft matte black that I was looking for. I'm gonna remove this sticker. I do not like it when they put stickers like that. I don't understand what is the big deal of putting them on the bottom of the product. I'll clean that up after. So I'm going to start adding stuff to it now. I've got some foam, some of this deer moss. I have a foot and some lights. Okay, so I have this right here. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my foam in, and I'm going to shove the leg in there. Actually, I think I'm going to put the lights in underneath it. There we go. And now I'm going to add the green grass or the there we go. And I'm going to put the lights. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit grass out. Okay. Just going to add some to weigh it down. There. I think that looks nice and spooky. I'll show you what it looks like outside of from this table. Here it is. I love the way it looks. It looks a little spooky, and I love the lights. So I would like to thank Hostesses for hosting this challenge. Make sure to check out both of their channels as well as the playlist linked down below. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the upcoming Halloween DIYs. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.